It happened in less than 3 to 5 seconds that my 2.5-year-old daughter fell directly on a glass table, banged her head against the edge so hard, and the cut was so deep that she had to get 8 to 9 sutures, that is, stitches, right in the middle of her forehead. Hi, my name is Tanvi, and I'm a mother of 2 kids, and I'm here to document my life and experiences to help fellow moms. About a couple days back, we were in Kunur for a weekend getaway with both our kids. All of us were sitting in a group, and suddenly, while jumping on the sofa and eating her dinner, my daughter Tulsa directly fell on a glass table which was kept in the front, and she had to get stitches. It was chaotic, there was a lot of bleeding, we all panicked, and here's everything that I learned from the experience. Trust me, no parent deserves to go through this. It took me a while to document this, so here are my learnings. Pick a kid friendly destination, okay, yes, but also pick a kid friendly accommodation. If you've reached a place, look out for sharp objects, lots of artifacts, sharp glass tables, sharp edges on the bed, everything. I'm not asking you to be paranoid, I'm just asking you to be careful. Second thing that I learned, she had a deep cut. It kept bleeding, it kept bleeding. We tried tissues, we tried cotton, and in the end, someone just took a lot of haldi and put it inside. Now, everyone was just trying to help. But what my doctor told me is something I want to tell you today. Never ever try to clean or stop the bleeding using haldi or cotton. These leave residue inside the wound, which becomes very difficult for doctors to clean while doing procedures. Use a surgical cotton pad and press it with enough force to stop the bleeding, but not too hard, till you get to the hospital. This brings me to the next thing that I learned the hard way this time. Whenever we plan a trip, we always look out for the best places to visit, eat, plan an itinerary. Now, I'm not asking you to be negative, but please, whenever you go to a new place, always make sure you have the emergency contact of the nearest and reliable healthcare center. Do it, parents, please do it. I really hope you never have to use it, but I urge you to be prepared just in case. We always carry a medicine kit which has bandage, but somehow we don't carry surgical cotton pads. Please make sure you carry a few of these, something like this. Or whenever you reach your hotel, just see if they have a first aid kit handy. God forbid this ever happens with you, but it's always good to be prepared. Share this with a fellow parent and follow for more.